Okay, so now as you can see, we just juiced 2 pieces of lemon and a piece of orange, and now we're gonna be adding one more piece of orange, and it will show you that when you turn it on, you have to put the fruit without the skin. Once you turn it on, it really goes down real quick and it juices it real quick. You have to have the bowl on the other side for the pulp. And the juice just, yeah, sometimes you gotta push it down a bit more. And there you go. Pure, fresh orange juice is coming out of it. So that's the amount that we've already made. Our pulp is coming out. The pulp is coming out, and this is the amount of juice so far that we've already made. 2 lemons and 2 oranges. Oh, I mean 3 lemons and 2 oranges. And we use the Omega model VSJ843QS. As you can see, the box is right there. And there you go. I tasted it earlier with 2 lemons and 2 oranges, and it's a bit bitter, so I guess I would have to add some sugar. I don't know if I should just add water, so I'll try adding water first before I add sugar to it. And there you go. If nothing is coming out, it means it has juiced the whole fruit already. You have to turn it off.